Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway.
Hold on, explain to us in a second.
Oh, that was it. I'm done. Here's my pen. I always have a pen. When the kids come, take the pen, and you don't have a pen. And then you take another pen, kids come, you take a pen, rinse and repeat. You don't have a pen.
Yeah, I know the problem.
Okay, well, I keep a reserve bucket.
Right? On that side, you got to keep reserve buckets of pens everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Pencils. There we go. Okay, audio's on. Got my visualizer. What's fun and exciting for the day?
I don't know. I haven't looked yet. Let's take a quick look. There was an election in New York.
Oh, yeah?
Mondami, or I don't know how to pronounce his name, Mondani.
Some jackass won, right?
Yeah, some jackass won. I thought the markets would take it a little harder. I actually was watching the markets a little bit here. I wasn't streaming, but I was looking to take a trade. I didn't in the end. But, yeah, I was looking to take a trade.
I remember when I was younger, I always believed that one day people would wake up, stop voting for these dumbasses.
Oh, my God. Honestly,
now,
I think New York is finished.
Now, I have no faith. I mean, just,
yeah.
You get what you get what you ask for, right?
Yep. New York's good. But the thing is, they don't care.
No, then they'll move to Florida and say, we need to make Florida like New York. Like, bitch, you just moved from New York. Get your fucking ass back over there.
Yeah. New York can turn into a cesspool, an actual total cesspool, and they'll still vote for the guy back again. That's the funny thing. I don't get it. It's like politics. They don't see, they have no cause and effect visualization. They don't see that, okay, we voted for this guy, this happened. They just think that it would have happened anyways, no matter who was voted in for, but at least we got free bus or whatever it is. Anyways, they're going to run out of money.
It's the same everywhere. People just vote for a party that don't care anything about them.
Yep.
I love it when people argue with me. They're like, you're wasting your vote. Aren't you so cute? like for once in your miserable existence, why don't you vote for freedom?
Anyways,
there's no shortage of dumbasses that want to take away your freedom. We got plenty of opportunities for those, right?
Can we say like my
just
wife
once,
says,
just vote for freedom.
My wife always says, "You don't live there." My daughter too. You don't live there. What do you care, Dad? Doesn't affect you. I disagree, though. I think it does affect me because it bleeds.
Are you also talking about QC voters? What's QC voters?
Quebec voters.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's the same
Quebec
everywhere.
voters. No, Savage. Not Quebec voters. The entire country. I can't believe everyone still votes Liberal. Really, I can't believe it. I understand the older generation.
Good
like
morning.
My dad. I love my dad. Rest his soul. He's passed away 12 years ago. You would not get him to vote for any other party than the Liberal Party. I don't know why. The Liberal Party could have taken away his home, made him destitute. He still would have voted for the Liberal Party.
I mean, if you're voting based on party, then what are you doing?
It's some kind of loyalty that the old generation maintains. I'm not sure why. I don't... Look, I'm an older generation now. I don't have that kind of loyalty. I you know. But you know what? They were immigrants. I think they did a lot less deep thinking. And they came from wartime.
Lootfish, good morning.
You know, my parents were immigrants. They came during the war. Yeah, I think they understand either one side is like going to kill you, or one side is good. And I think they had that mentality, and they believed that was the Liberal Party.
Yeah, my dad grew up in terrible times. Guess we just be happy that we're not in those times, right?
Oh my God.
Be happy about something.
You know what?
We wouldn't survive. I've told my dad many times, they don't make them like they used to. Like, what's that? I'm like, people.
The stories.
There's a far stretch from your generation to my generation.
Yeah.
Not yours, but my dad's.
No, definitely how they grew up. Woo! I said.
I got market open in 1 minute.
Oh, already. Oh, yeah. Okay, so know my mom and her family story.
Tell it to us in 10 minutes. Oh, you keep talking. I don't care. I'm watching my own trade.
I got to get organized.
I just got to focus.
I got to get organized. Got to take less trades. Got to find my account list. I don't even know everything I have open, but we did look at the Ace session. We only took out the highs. We didn't take out the lows.
This is a shitty matrix. I agree with that, Skeletor.
Yeah, good morning, Skeletor.
James, good morning.
Nice to see you, Mr. James. What about the pre-market session? Where are we? 6 to 9:30.
I'm right here. Where you at?
We're near the high. We're near the high of the pre-market session.
My jacket. Oh man, market open.
We're gonna try and target that.
My jacket. My jacket.
593. Okay, I click buy market. $557, $558. Whoa! Okay, took a small profit, exited at the previous day's close.
Long?
That was a long, but we got the previous day's close at 575 approximately. And the thing is, that's in the way. That's in the way of sweeping the pre-market high at 596, which I do believe we're going to do. Let's see if I can take get it. There we go. This is what I was looking for. Don't go
Do
down.
it.
You
Do
went
it.
too low.
Oh, they're killing me.
Oh yeah.
I'm on the wrong chart.
Oh, I'm on the wrong chart.
Pain's better when others see it. Am I still on the wrong chart? Am I at? Literally take profit then. You mother beach.
I was late today. I'm still kind of late. I'm still a little bit behind in all my setup.
Okay.
I swear to God, I don't know why it takes so long. I started setting up at 8:30. I said I got 45 minutes. I think it's my cat.
Set up and
Look at that.
repeat, right?
Yeah, it takes too much effort, too much time for me. Feed it, water, clean the litter. Wow, look at that bounce right off the 576, 577 level.
Tell me about it.
Complete rejection right off the previous day's close of the Globex Open.
Take
Probably
profit
somewhere
was
around
like a tick above that.
I put it a tick below. I should have told you. Show ICT. Not yet, Skeletor. It's not up, but I fixed it last night. I wanted to have it up before I started, but I'm so far behind. Okay, we're waiting for a setup. My hands are crossed.
I wish it was still there so I could see where it was at. So I could better adjust. Yeah. On to the next.
Oh, that's bothering me this minute. I think a little shot of vodka on my coffee would have been good.
Yeah, I feel that way from time to time too.
Very nice. You stretched out your chart all the way to the side. What did I do? Oh,
Yeah.
I should maybe do that too. Okay, well, in keeping with taking less trades, I have time on my hands now.
That we're working on. Let's trade.
Yeah, less trades today.
Took the one, take my take profit, and then went down stop loss. Yeah.
Oh. Might have a trade here, Skeletor. Skeletor. I didn't say I speak Spanish. I said my daughter speaks Spanish. If she's not here, I don't have a translator.
Did you feed Sparky?
Did I? Yeah, of course.
He said he spoke Spanish. I heard him.
Sparky doesn't let me go without feeding him.
Do you say I speak Spanish in Spanish? Habla español? Maybe that's it.
Yeah, I'm trading my Apex. I'm at 51,902, and today is the last day, I think, of the $40. So I'm going to try and pass it. Yo hablo español. Español. Should have held it for longer.
What's that mean?
Hablo. Either
speak
understand
Spanish?
or speak.
You hablo español?
Hablo. That's an odd word, and I'll tell you why it's an odd word. Spanish is very similar to French. And the word for speak or understand is not similar to hablo.
That was my problem with Spanish. When I worked with the guys, they always tried to teach me Spanish.
Mm.
Then you speak to the Mexicans, they tell you one thing. You speak to the Puerto Ricans, they tell you something completely different. Then you speak to like, what was that? One guy was like El Salvador, and he'd tell you something different. And the other guy was like Cuban or something, and he spoke something different.
Well, there's a bunch of Spanishes then, huh?
Like, why don't y'all get together and agree on something? I can barely speak English, and y'all tell me 10 different ways to say something in Spanish.
Well, we blew through previous day's low at 517 without even thinking about it. So the previous day's low didn't reject price the way previous day's close did. I'm waiting for a bit of a pullback, retrace, whatever you want to call it. Let's see if we can get into the 530 area. Sparky, I gave you your
we did reach a major support. Did you see that? Didn't even talk about this morning.
What?
Yeah, I was talking about the 25,400.
Okay.
Your mother told that. I'm on it. Yeah, okay. We come down and reach that major support. 25,400. We did break through the gap a few Fridays ago. Like jets flying over my house again. What's this everyday thing now? Fly over somebody else's house. Anyways, broke the gap, came down, tested that major support, bounced off of it. Maybe we'll make some structure, push back up to the highs. What do we got? The 5th? We just consolidate here.
Spanish, yes.
What's that?
I'm not understanding.
You want me to speak it?
Say it in Spanish.
Say it in Spanish? I think I got a translator.
Oh, that was a big run. Right through previous.
I think I got a translator out. I have one for sign language too. I used to. You want it in sign language?
Okay.
Hand talk.
Deal me in. Let's get Deal Me In running. I got you on full screen there, Omnius.
Type to translate. Major support here.
Y major soportas.
Major support here. Okay. I'll replay it. Okay. There you go.
Got it.
You get it? Oh, man.
You gotta type it in.
Well, I tried. How you gonna type in sign language?
How are you thinking?
This guy got type. How you gonna type in sign language?
No, says no, not even close.
No, what? No to major support or no to the sign language?
No to what you wrote. I don't think that said what you thought it said. I want to get in here, but that's Jason, so I'm not going to click the button. Not clicking the button.
We come down, we get all the lows excited, and then push back up.
Shit. I got to do bigger than 9 lots if I want to pass the account. 9 lots are going to require me no to what you show from your phone. Ah, you were able to see it.
I didn't show it. Camera was like, nope, not going to show that. Which is weird because there's a guy on there.
Dealer draws 78. Futures floor 53 out of these.
I got a deaf aunt, so when I talk to her, I got to get my sign language app.
Mm.
You ever talk to one of those people that are deaf, but they don't know they're deaf?
No.
And they want to...
But I've talked to people who are dumb and don't know they're dumb.
They want to... Yeah, a lot of those. She had my aunt had a fiance, and he was deaf too. But, like, he would want to carry on, like, long conversations and stuff.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know what you're saying. Sorry.
Guys, I'm getting aggressive, but it's planned aggression.
He'd pull out a pencil and notepad and write it all down.
This is not like yesterday where it was out of control. This
So I got
is
me the
plan.
sign language app, and it really kind of helped things out.
I hope it doesn't give me the worst possible pattern, but right now it is. Oh, you don't have the thing up. Shit. You don't get to see what I see. It's
So
giving me a bunch of quick ones.
you have a deaf person in your family, get you a sign language app.
It's gonna go. It's gonna stop me out. Now I think I almost have to commit to it on the account. I don't even want to do that. Will I make it till previous day's low and then bounce off that? I'm gonna have to hold. I guess I blew the account. Okay, I tried. Gotta hope that it holds here on previous day's low and bring my price down. Yeah, I want to pass this account today, so I'm trying.
Yeah. Who sends you an email, right? And it starts with "Dear Partner," but they don't tell you who they are.
Yeah.
But guess what, right? We're talking about Spanish. Half the email's in Spanish.
No kidding.
So it's great. I don't know who you are, and I can't read what you sent me.
That's a bugger.
Oh, it was Taurus. Okay, well, put your name at the top of your email, not the bottom.
See, I did it again. Tried to pass an account, and I didn't wait for a valid setup. Instead, I just gambled, and of course it didn't work out. Went the wrong way. I'm surprised it's not stopping me out yet. That's odd.
Sometimes it's delayed.
Yeah.
We're just in this kind of choppy sideways action. Take everybody out, ain't we? Oh, what the fuck. Mother bitches.
Yeah, I got the worst possible pattern also when I started entering. I committed to it on heavy size.
What's the problem? What the fuck? No, they left me in one kick. Killing that one. What happened? I'm in, I'm not in, I'm maybe in. Come on, man.
Well, maybe we'll get the bounce back up. Getting there. Getting there, yes it is. Look at that, it goes right to my price. I can't tell you how, that's why I say we live in a simulation. I can't tell you how many times it gets right to your entry price, but doesn't go beyond it. No matter what your entry price is. When I DCA, it comes back to my entry price. If I DCA once, it finds it. If I DCA twice, it's lower. Somehow that's where it stops. If I DCA 10 times, somehow that doesn't go as much. It's always the same fucking thing. Makes no sense. Really, it makes no sense.
Rigged. I told you it's rigged.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that. Come on, man. Set it all up, and then my break even kicks in. It's like, no, let's go to break even.
That's
No.
ES did that. I don't have any.
Hold strong, man. You don't want to live forever, do you?
NQ is stronger than ES. It might go back up. ES can go start moving up. NQ is stronger. Showing relative strength. Yeah. Oh, there we go. We're above already. Come on. You're showing relative strength. Don't quit on me here.
Might be a double killer today.
Don't quit on me here.
Long or short?
I'm long.
Is that the same trade? You been long? You ain't gonna stop out?
No.
Sweet.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, maybe their system is down.
I think my system.
No, they'll catch it later. They'll catch it tonight.
My system's down too.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe my cat has 9 lives.
What can you do, man?
Eventually, I'm going to click the button, and it's probably going to say administrator only or something, even though it's at 52,200.
Just martingale and evals. All right, what was my errors?
Wow.
The risk management system rejected request, affected order, buy to cover. Order filled. Oh, we're doing that too, huh? Oh man, we're fucking full porting today. Fuck it. Golly. Okay. What happened? If you canceled, get the fuck out the trade. Man. Alright, get out. Okay. Might have beat me up today.
Well, I'm taking a break. Maybe I got lucky. Maybe I didn't. I don't know yet.
Too choppy.
Yeah. Well, there we just took out the pre-market highs. We did not take out the pre-market lows, which was at 25,400, exactly what Omnius was talking about, which is also the London lows, because it happened at 6 in the morning.
All right. Bought trade for the day, took 3 losses. Terrible day. Horrible.
Spike, is there a word spike over there? Let me see. That didn't work. Yeah, there is a spike. Why didn't it work? Okay, come on. It was working last night. That's working. What is it? Doesn't work. Doesn't work when I'm live, and it works when it's in the evening. Okay, we're living in the matrix again.
Yeah, we can switch over here. We'll talk about this for a second.
Oh! No! It did work yesterday, and it's working today. Read the instructions. They're going across the screen. No, read the instructions.
Can I go in my trades real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
This guy.
Sorry, I was having fun.
Anyways, so three trades on the bot today. All 3 were losers. Where the hell? Come on, which trades? Scroll down. What we got? 600, 700, and 300. Beautiful. It's okay. Still, you can still see the graph. Overall, the bot's still been killing it. And if we go to summary, profit factor is still 3.6, still 94% win rate, and it's still up $8,800. So, terrible day. See how it reacts. Keeps having terrible days, or if it keeps doing good. Yeah, what you talking about, Mike?
It's show me the, and then the word. No way.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is, but that stupid fucking cowboy came back. He's not supposed to. Covered the right towel. Okay, let's try and get to a trade here.
I mean, you put the cowboy there, didn't you?
No. This is the one that's supposed to show little pieces of the image. The cowboy is there for the other game when you don't get to see the image at all, but I don't know, it's a glitch. I'm going to have to remove all the, I know what to do. If I'm playing this one, I just rename the image. And I won't have an image to,
Oh, what the hell? It took another trade. I didn't have it on. Wait, am I in a trade? I'm in a trade. What the fuck? And it glitched out. It didn't do my take profit again. What the fuck? Can we get out of the trade now, please? Thank you.
So what you do is you type in show me the, you copy and paste, control copy.
All right, whatever my losses added up to, take 200 off of that.
Okay.
Fucker's active today, isn't it?
There we go. So
Yeah.
now I have show me the copied. Now I just paste it and I type in the word. And that's what the hell? Why does enter? Okay, I got to change that. Making sense. Okay, everything is working. How much did I miss? I missed the break over previous day's close. I missed the break over.
Made back most of one of my losses.
Yeah.
The bot snuck in one more trade. Thought it was over.
Good job. Yeah. I can tell you the best tile is the RSI tile on this preview image. Anybody wants to type in show me the RSI. Look at it go again. You're tempting me to go. You know what? If you're tempting me, I'm going in with a 2-lot. First off, I want to see if I can still trade. Yeah, still let me take the trade. And now, of course, I'll catch the low. I will stop out on this at 48.
Yeah, I need a new drink. I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, I need a drink too.
I need a stiff drink after that.
Yeah. How can you even think of going long here? Look at that on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, Sparky, don't bother me. No, RSI. Show me the RSI. That's the one. That's the one you want to see. Oh, we got stopped out. Okay, I'll get 10 points better. Sparky, bug off. Hey, we got a trade at 69. Unofficial trade. Let's see what I can get. Oh, go lower. I love it. 61. I'll take it at 61. It's a trade. Even if it stops out, it's a good one. 69, 65, 55 is the stop out. So 7 points. Or better, because I don't actually put a stop in. So sometimes it comes back and I get 2, 3, 4 points better. That means I'll only lose 3 points. Let's go. Let's go. Give me $200 on this trade. I'll take 150. That brings me to 52.3. And I learned my mistake. If I'm getting a second chance at this, then I'll take it. And I'll take only legitimate trades. Keep saying that. One day I'll mean it.
What's going on about?
I was just saying, that live discipline mastermind group.
Mm-hmm.
I'm joining it. I need it. I'm signing up. Did you catch what was happening last night? Were you able to see, or you weren't really able to see in the afternoon?
What are you talking about?
Last night, my trading, or not last night. I keep saying last night. In the afternoon, after you got off at 2:45, 3 o'clock, you were still there. It's when you typed in afternoon trading is not the same as morning trading.
No, I think I was either at the bus stop or at speech.
Okay.
Hard to really even see anything on the phone.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I was breaking rules en masse. So I got too many things I got to take care of lately, but I gotta reflect on why that is and how to stop it. I have a trade at 83. I'll get in at 81.
If you're overtrading, you want to stop overtrading, right to stop overtrading. The habit. You build a habit.
No, it's not that. I'm pretty sure I'm not willing to accept the loss yet still. It's not so much that I'm not willing to accept the loss. I feel that if I have a loss, I can just make it back. I think I feel invincible, actually. And not because I can't do nothing wrong or because I know where the markets are going. I think I just like that I have such a high win rate. Like these little trades here, like that, like you just saw. I have such a high win rate that I just assume I'll never go on a 6 or 7 trade losing streak. So, I'll lose 1, I'll lose 2, maybe 3 at normal size, and then I'll start oversizing. Now, this isn't oversizing because I want to pass the account today, but yesterday it was. It was on a different account. Actually, what account was it on? I think yesterday it was on a PA account. That was very, very reckless, and that account's in payout territory. Remember I told you I'm not taking payouts, I'm just letting them grow? Whoa, 10 o'clock. Nobody warned me.
Is there news today? I didn't even look.
Apparently.
I don't think I have the app on NinjaTrader anymore. How do I delete my mouse? Do you type in
Delete your mouse?
Yeah. Bluetooth and other devices?
And then what are you going to use?
Remove this device? Do I get what it was under? I have to Google it or something. My mouse keeps freezing. see a long right here. We're kind of at some resistance. Yeah. Take a little bit without the pain. Sometimes, you know how you like stub your toe and sometimes you gotta sit down for a second?
Yeah.
Isn't trading the same way?
Yeah, it is.
Sometimes when you're feeling the pain, just kind of relax. Breathe.
Okay, that one didn't work out. Where do we stand?
I'm not standing, I'm sitting.
Where do we stand? If you look at the 5 minute, are you saying we're bearish or we're bullish? We're bullish. Not only are we bullish, we went parabolic in the last 15 minutes from 517 to 700 pretty much. We're above VWAP. We're not above previous day's high though. We're far from previous day's high. Wow, previous day's high was 26,100. So we do have room to scream higher should the market decide to do that.
I have to go out and buy a wired mouse.
Yeah, that's what I use.
I just don't understand like why it's still doing it. Did it corrupt something inside the mouse?
ATR, 26 points. That's a very healthy ATR. Volume, I know I have it somewhere. Remember, without me clicking it, we should be over 400,000. 946,000. There's a lot of volatility coming into the market. A lot of volume coming into the market. $69. I'll add to this at 62, 63. I'm gonna get out of it because my ad was poor. Targeting 76. $76 is up here. Sell limit. While I'm putting in my sell limit, I'm getting stopped out. Yep. Okay, that one didn't work out. Yeah, I only have one chart to show it.
Every second's a punch, every move's a blow. Future's on fire, but I won't let go.
Daily's come down a little bit. I've noticed all the pullbacks are about 1,000, 1,200 points. So 26.4, we came down to 25.3. This might be it. This might be it. Take a look at the daily. I think going all the way back until April 19.8, 18.1. In April there was one for 1,700, but after that they were all about 1,200 points. And we just came down, I think, what did I say, 1,300 points? daily. Look at it again. 26.4. 25.2. Yep.
I was like, damn, I think these numbers are wrong. So I had to go break out the calculator. Yeah. Numbers ain't wrong. Just don't want to see them.
Well, Sparky dropped a Sparky surprise. It smells delicious in here.
Nice. Matches the day.
Okay, so the moves are strong, you know? You get a strong move up, a strong move down. It's pretty impressive.
I haven't really been looking at it.
Is
More,
the way they're
more analyzing the data from today.
the way they're coming in, it's not working out for me. Wow, don't do that.
2, 3. Yeah, I don't get it. Something glitched. Something don't add up. My calculator. Minus 621.
So close.
Minus 728. Minus 329.
Reduce my exposure. And I'll add if it goes.
Plus 1.
There we go.
So it says I'm supposed to be down 1,500
Yeah.
in that account, but it's only down 700. Weird.
Commissions?
Don't commissions go against you? I mean, I know that
we're either basing or changing directions again. Most likely changing directions. What are they saying? Fuel stronger.
I know they messed up my take profit. I got a few more points than I was supposed to, but I think it messed up and doubled my order or something. I wish the same error would have happened on the other account. That'd have been nice.
Well, don't you have your... I mean, are they running in the background on charts that you can't even see? I don't get it.
What do you mean? I see the chart.
Well, how do you know? How do you not know that it's happening when it happens? Like, don't you know when this happens, you should be in a 5 lot and you would see that it's a 10 lot?
Have you ever noticed how fast it goes?
No, I don't see. I don't know. I don't know if we see your trades. That's the thing.
It was on this morning.
Yeah.
I know part of what happened was think I got in late, but it kicked me out. That's what happened. On the one I got the error, it kicked me out. I had to jump back in. So that was 25 points. What was that, a 5 lot? It was 25 points on a 5 lot. $25 times 2 times 5, $250. And then it got a few points extra. So even if we doubled that, it would be 500. Still only be 1,200. I don't know. Go back, look at it. I mean, I don't really care. What's done is done. I'm not going to complain about the account being down 700 when it should have been down 15 or 1,600, but just want to know why. Yeah.
$25,806. I'm 52,806. I mean, I reversed the 5 into 2. 200 to go from the account that should have been busted out. Don't say anything. Don't tell them. Don't tell on me. Okay, I'll trade 5 lots. I can get there in, I need to make 20 points on 5 lots. That shouldn't be too difficult.
Oh, I know what happened. It didn't take the second entry because I entered manually. That's what happened. So where the other account took the second entry, I think that's the first time a second entry has ever lost. But might have been one other time, I don't know. But because I entered manually because it kicked me out of the trade, it didn't take the second entry. Okay. Figured it out. So then get my calculator, redo the numbers. We got 36.75 plus 50 minus 23. Enter. Times 2 times 5. Yeah, math's hard. Do it later. We getting a long trade? We got bull flag.
Actually, short trade right now.
On what time frame?
2010 Renko. But I'm getting out. I don't like it. I don't like it. I had $50. Come on, give a wiggle and jiggle and get me out. I had $50 on it, and I kind of hesitated. I'm at 870. I don't want to screw up. Let me try to get that Renko chart up for you guys. I should have it. This is the Ninja platform, one that gives me the most information. So what do I got to do? I got to source. I got to add a screen capture or display capture. Let's call it capture cursor. Yes. Why don't we just fix the cropping? Yeah, it's an ugly screen. But for now, it'll do.
Okay, what do we got?
If I put it in the bottom corner. Hey, off my desk. No, I don't like it there. What about if I put it in the top corner? Yeah, it looks good there. You like it?
Short is out.
Actually, the funny thing is I do like it. So hold on. Sparky, get lost. Enough. Don't bite me. Give me a sec. Now I gotta move my cameras and down. Gotta find them. But I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Well, maybe I like it. I don't know. We'll see. Cam, room, me, unlock, 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 unlock. Oh, no, it's true. One. Can I go down to there? Yes.
All right, got me some more meta. What else did I get? Hard to buy in pre-market. Got to like set up orders and hope they go through properly. Okay.
There you go.
Got me some meta and Oracle. Eat.
You shopping?
Hell yeah. I told y'all to go shopping, man. Y'all won't listen. Can't look at the daily profit and loss on those accounts. It's too nerve-wracking.
Too unnerving.
Sometimes I think on big day, you know, you see those people are like, "Oh, I'm up $10,000 today." Right? Sometimes I think on the big days I should just take a screenshot. Like, up $10,000 a day. I'll be gone tomorrow, but right. Yeah, I think looking at numbers like that day after day is just, I don't know, it's too nerve-wracking. That's why big hedge fund managers jump out windows. Can you imagine those guys having to deal with freaking 10-figure numbers and stuff?
I thought you were going to say that's why they spend their day golfing.
Does it help? I don't know, maybe. Golfing and strippers? I mean, whatever you got to do. I just couldn't imagine managing those kind of numbers and having to look at it, stare at it all day, every day. You get this big drop in the market and you're down freaking $400 million.
You still get paid. I don't think they care.
Hey, you know that guy I was talking about? I think it was yesterday, and you knew the guy's name right away.
Larry Williams.
Yeah, Larry Williams. One of the interesting things he said in his interview was he was managing one of his clients, this lady, and he was managing her money.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't even know he ever had clients. I thought he's been trading on his own account since the 80s, 90s.
No, he managed other people's accounts too. A hedge fund manager or something. I don't know. You had to look into it more. All I know is this part of the story because he said it. But he was managing this lady's money, and the lady actually sued him because he made her like 100% or 200% on her money or something, which is phenomenal, right? Like, that's what everybody would love. But she sued him because in the competition, he made like 11,000% or 1,100% or whatever it was. And he didn't do that for her account.
I wonder if she won.
I don't know. Could you imagine suing somebody because, I mean, they made you record profits?
Yeah.
And you're mad because they didn't make you like ungodly record profits? That might have been the moment he quit handling other people's money. Praise the world we live in.
Yep.
Skeletor, who's that? Larry Williams. He holds the record. What'd you say it was? The World Cup or something?
Yeah, I think it's the Robbins Cup.
Robbins Cup. And he did an interview on was it Titans of Tomorrow? I posted the video, I think in Mike's Discord.
Yeah, you did.
Good interview. That guy that did it, he does some good interviews. He's talking a bit about the way he looks at the market, and apparently he holds the record, and his son's not that far behind him. Apparently, whatever process they have, I mean, it's got to be a pretty good process, right?
I think it's very simple trend following, kind of like what do you call it? Richard Dennis did. Yep, that's it.
No, Skeletor, correction. That's the cup that he said he was going to win like 3 or 4 times. And I'm pretty sure that he bombed out completely every time. And the one time he was going to do it live or something, and he kept telling all his followers, oh, it's just a psychology thing. I'm just making them think that my account's going down.
Yeah, he had all kinds of weird stories.
Great. I'm not losing. I'm just making the other people think I'm losing.
Yeah, or I lost on purpose.
Yeah.
Because I want to show how easily I can make it back.
Then, yeah. Yeah, that was it too. And then in the end, he had some excuse for why he didn't make it back. The market makers are hunting him down or something. I think more people need to do a video on that. Like that was just great.
Yeah, pretty stupid.
I mean, don't mean he's a bad trader, but I mean, you're
No.
talking about some of the world's best traders competing. Not only competing, I mean, you gotta imagine that a certain portion of his luck. Like, how's your strategy handling at that time? You know,
Not so much, though, because it's a 1-year competition, eh? Real money. You're supposed to be trading it not like a crazy person. You're supposed to be trading it responsibly.
Is it? Well, I mean,
Because you
even
have one-
come on now, even Larry Williams said he wasn't doing it responsibly.
You have 1 year.
He said he was trading a 30% loss
Yeah.
every trade. 3 trades
Yeah.
3 losses in a row. You're
No.
done. What?
No. You start with $10,000. You lose 30%. You have 7,000. Now you're risking 30%. He's only risking 2,100. If he
Okay.
would have lost that, he would have gone to 5,000. 5,000 times 30%. He would have risked 1,500.
You're right.
He had a lot more bullets to fire than that. Yeah, Robin's Cup is real money, definitely.
I didn't think about that aspect. Thank you for pointing that out. But still, 30% per trade. My goodness.
Yeah, no, I like Larry Williams. I used to follow him very, very, very closely. A long time ago.
That's why I told you that he actually made double what he ended with and then lost it all.
Hmm.
So he made like double what he ended with, and then his
Well,
wife.
30% losing half is like 2 or 3 losing trades. He just finished with 2 or 3 losing trades.
Yeah. So he doubled
What a
what he
shame,
finished
though.
with, and his wife begged him to stop, and he wouldn't stop.
Yeah,
So then he went down to half of what he finished with,
and it's still the record.
and then build it back up to what he finished with.
Hmm.
That's crazy. Could you
Yeah, the
imagine?
problem with ICT.
Could you imagine the record he'd have had if he'd have just stopped when his wife begged him to?
Yeah. Well, maybe he wanted to make it 50,000%. Problem with ICT is he makes these stupid, cheap-ass excuses. So he loses credibility. You know, when you come up with stories like that, you just sound like a liar. You know, like I said yesterday, I screwed up. Hold on. I'm not trying to blame my screw up on, I was testing the my mental fortitude to see if I recognized that I was screwing up, you know, like saying something stupid like that, you lose credibility. No, I screwed up last night.
Oh, come on, man. The
Screwed up,
market,
and I have to
listen,
review it.
the market makers were watching the stream. They know what you were doing.
I blamed you.
They pushed the market against you.
I blamed you. You want to know the truth, the honest truth? I blamed you.
I always blame the red-haired guy.
I did. I said, fucking guy made me stream in the afternoon. If I didn't stream in the afternoon, I wouldn't have had this loss. I swear to God, that went in my brain.
I feel like I recall saying, you don't have to trade. We're just there to do a podcast, that type thing, and talk and go over things.
I know, but you know me, I'm like a kid. You put candy in front of me, and I wanna taste it.
You had one job. Your one job was to talk about your do diggity thing, whatever you called it. What was it?
I blamed you, but I know I'm not stupid. I know that's wrong. I know I'm responsible for my own actions. I never blame anybody. I just superficially blamed you. But when it all comes down to it,
I agree with James. Had you not taken that trade and went for coffee, you'd have had coffee and you wouldn't have blown the first trade. Had you not have blown the first trade, you wouldn't have went on tilt. You wouldn't have blown more trades.
Yeah.
So the truth is, blame it on the coffee. No, blame it on you for not going to get the coffee. That would have stopped you from taking that trade. See, had I have taken the fact that it kicked me out of a trade this morning and it, as a hint, like, hey, we tried to tell you not to trade this shit, but no, I did it anyways. You know why? Because every fucking day there's some error.
I think what it is it basically just showed me I still have holes. I thought I was cured. I thought I saw Jesus. I still have weak links. I still have chinks in my armor, and I just got to patch them up. That's all. I did a lot of self-reflecting yesterday, just trying to figure out why I did it, and I really came down to I had a loss, so I wasn't at my high water mark anymore. It was a small loss. It was $50. I was up I don't remember the numbers exactly. You know me. I don't pay attention to them close enough to know them exactly. But let's say I was up 130 or 100. I lost $50. I went down to 80 or $50. And then I took another trade, regular size, because, no big deal. One winner, one, they just balance out. But that one was a loser. And that brought me to, let's say, $20 up or zero or flat on the day. And now I said, oh, fuck, I was up $100 for the day. And now I'm flat. I'm only up 20. That's no good. So I increased my size a little bit. That one was a loser. And then I pulled out my big heavy bat and said, I'm going to make it all back in one trade. And anyways, it didn't go into too much drawdown. It didn't even hit the 30% because it was on wealth charts and it draws the line.
Yeah.
So I think, I got to about, let's say, 60% of it. So 60% of 750. So I got to about a $400 drawdown, but that's not the point. The point is that my brain was in the I'm going to just let it go mentality. Whatever happens, happens. So I just got lucky. And that's how you lose accounts. That's how you stay in the cycle of losing accounts. If it didn't happen today, if I do it, it'll happen eventually. So no, I've got to stop it. Definitely got to stop it. There's no more of this monkey business. I took some notes. I'm going to make some more notes. And rules are going to have to be strictly followed. And I really think the best rule for me is in a PA account, one loss, one and done. Because I can push it, when I do well, I can push it. I can get up there and make some decent gains. So just go for it. Try to make your win. Try to run with it for the day. If you can, you can. Great. And if you can't, move on. So I'm going to tighten up my PDLLs, and I'm really going to one loss for a PA. And I'll have to use, you always say, go to sim. I'll have to use my evals as my, what I'm going to continue trading. And, it still helps build the portfolio.
Look, I was thinking about this yesterday. Buy an eval. Buy that eval. Name it something different. And just...
How do you name an eval?
I don't know. Can you change the name? I don't know. I never thought about it.
So,
I'm gonna try it.
no, it's an Apex name. It's a Bulldog's name.
Nope, I guess not. Okay, well,
No,
you still
you
know
can't.
which account it is. I mean,
No,
it's got
yeah, but
numbers
you can
by it.
think
I
about
mean,
it differently.
and just use that account for when you think you're over trading or something. Like, hey, I might be over trading.
52,001. It's passed.
I wouldn't do it. I would try to stay away from sim because that just puts you in a bad habit and mindset.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
You can get an Apex account $15. I mean,
So are we
buy
taking
one
that?
and use it for degenerate shit. You know.
Are they going to send me an invoice to
Who?
what do they call it? Apex
Invoice for what?
for activation? The account's at 53,001. If you remember, it flashed minus like 2,600 for an instant.
Oh
For
yeah.
a few seconds. Yeah. Are they going to catch it in the afternoon accounting?
Probably.
I do think so also, yeah.
Because it definitely tracks that.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Not only that, you don't know. There might have been some drawdown before that also.
No, I was at the high water mark. Ah, that's another problem with me. I'm going to write that down. I forgot. I always want to be at the high water mark. It bothers me if I fall below the high water mark.
Dreams of futures gone to dust. Banks and brokers lose their trust. Echoing in empty halls where ambition echoes falls.
My bot lost almost as many trades today as it has in the past 3 months. Yep. The probability's there, isn't it?
I'm not a fan of take profit trader. I don't know why.
A lot of people talk good about them.
Well, everyone goes crazy because of the no activation fee. I think that's smoke and mirrors because they ask for so much money up front.
Not like $100 or $100. That was on a sale, wasn't it? That's more than that.
Well, it's always in that area. Sometimes it's a little bit under 100. Sometimes it's a little bit over 100. Lutefish, you have a very hard name to pronounce. You know why? Because I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I think I'm becoming dyslexic. I'm always seeing a K around the T. I'm always thinking it's Lutkefish.
Question is, do you like?
Oh my God! It's not even fish. It's Fisk. That's where I'm seeing the K. Go, Omnius. What were you saying?
Do you like Loot Fisk or Savage?
Lutefisk.
Just call him Savage.
Lutefisk Savage. Just call him LFS
Yeah.
or LS. I discovered early today that I had some indicators showing order floor delta that were causing my charts to lag when I had a trade on a lag of like 5 to 10 seconds. Shut them off and rebooted.
Oh wow.
I like Lutefish actually. Just call me Loot. I like Lutefish.
There you go.
Did you go? If I come down to Florida, we're gonna go loot fishing. We're gonna go fishing for some loot fish. You're gonna bring me fishing, Omnius.
You pointed out it's not even fish; it's fisk.
I know. It's kind of like Skeletor. We thought it was Skeleton.
No,
I thought it was Skeleton Explorer.
You thought it was I pointed that out to you. You pointed the fisk out to me. More of the story: we're both half blind.
Yeah, Skeletor Emperor, and it was Skeleton Explorer to me. You see what you want to see, eh? Do I have him up here?
Well, there you go. Just go with loot.
Let's do. Gotta change scenes. It's gonna be an ugly one.
Loot was that Ninja Trader? I'm assuming it's Ninja Trader because Ninja Trader seems to have the issues like that.
Bear with me, but we gotta get it up just for the fun of it.
You don't even want to get into my Ninja Trader problems. Been fighting Ninja Trader for what, a month now? Reset it 100 times.
It's not here.
All right. Might not have been 100. Might have been 50.
I picked the wrong one. Let's get a Skeletor up. Oh, we had both of them, eh?
Dude, what the hell are you talking about?
There's the old Skeleton Explorer. I love that name.
Oh, yeah. I've seen that. That was cool.
Wait, he said, look what I found.
Give me back my chocolate salty balls. Skeleton Explorer.
I knew I had that. Let's copy that one.
Good times, man. Good times.
Okay, let's go back to my scene. Those are dirty scenes now. They're old ones. So what do? Let me trade something. What can I trade? I got Bullinox open. Kind of past that. So, well, now I'm really hopeful that they don't echo. Yeah, it's possible. It picks up the volume from two different sources. Yeah.
Did you read Luke's comment?
I'm getting there. Something about fish. Newfoundland would be more the right species to make lutefish.
It's not fish, it's fisk.
I know, we're calling it fish. Show me the range. Here is the range. Is there a range? I don't see a range here. There's no range.
Got a little range.
Rally, dip, MACD, move, volume, chart, pattern. Show me the dump. Show me the money. I put in money in here. I also put Sparky in there, but it picks random words.
Luke, he's talking about the delta lag in the chart. Was that Ninja Trader? Or a different platform? Show me the orb. Is it really an orb or is it chocolate salty balls?
Opening range break.
Yeah, that was Ninja Trader.
Okay. Let me cut you all off.
Wait.
Lutefisk. Loot.
You said yesterday, right?
Where are you getting these words from, Skeletor? It's not on the thing. Tick's a good word, but it's not there.
Mike, wasn't it yesterday that my Ninja Trader wouldn't work?
I
think if you.
Yeah, I think so.
That was yesterday.
Yeah, it's Wednesday. It was me on Monday, you yesterday, and then today. But Loot, check how much data you're loading with Ninja Trader. Do right-click on your chart, click on data, and check days to load. I always keep it low, days to load. I only load 1, 2, 3 days. If you're trying to load like 99 days and you're got an indicator that, is like a burden on the computer and it's trying to calculate it for 99 days, and if you have it on multiple charts, that can definitely cause a problem.
Are you talking about me? He's talking about me.
Ooh.
You.
Why? Oh, no, not at all. I didn't even think about you. I didn't even think about you.
I got like 5 of them.
Also, I'm on rule and losing digital foot race to the curve or neutrals window with the New York Stock Exchange.
All right, fellas, I'll be right back. Give me a minute.
But anyways, yeah, definitely check your data. You don't be loading like 70 days on all your charts. You don't need it. You don't reference it. I don't. We're going there. That's it. You took out all the good ones. Now all you got left is to try and find the winning tile. They should all be holding up a sign that says, Go Futures Player. So, Skeletor, did you hear what happened? Yeah, you're being, what's the word? You're being strategic about which tiles you're opening. So I have this account. Well, I think you were watching it. This is when you said you got 9 or whatever. You're talking about my size. This account went into drawdown by about $2,600 for a second. It's an eval. Remember I told you I wanted to pass it today? So, and I also told you, I think, I told the chat that I took a trade that I shouldn't have taken, and I got married to it. And I didn't mind being, yeah. But let me see, what do you guys see up there? Anyways, they didn't shut down the account, so I passed it. It's at 53,001 now. I made the 1,300. So we're taking bets. Are they going to send me an invoice to activate the account, or are they going to figure it out when they do the accounting tonight? When they do the clearing and they see? I'm curious. Actually, and my PA is at 52,985. Wait for the 5 p.m. email if you pass it. Yeah, I'm going to pay it right away.
Like, you think some of my issues are because I'm loading 1,000 days of data?
Absolutely. That is very, very taxing on the computer. I check my screens very often. I run through them all because I'm loading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm loading 10 charts. You only see 1 or 2 right now because I got the Renko in the top corner. But I'm loading 10 charts.
Thinking I need the 1 charts, but I got a couple of them.
Look at it.
Yeah, I got a couple of them. I don't really need 100 days of data.
Nope, you never look at it. You look at it when you're doing testing. That's when you load the 100 days of data. Other than that, probably best to have as few charts up as possible and load just 1 or 2 days of data. Unless it's like like me, I referenced the 30-minute. So, I want to go back 3, 4, 5 days. The 4-hour, I'm going to want to go back, a month maybe. So selectively. I'll put more data on the 4-hour. But even my 4-hour there, look at that. That's my 4-hour chart right now. That's all it's loading. That's barely anything. I'm going to make it more now because that's not enough. But I don't load a lot of data because what for? It just taxes the computer. You got to remember, if you're loading 99 days of data, it has to draw it all out in memory. Because if you go on your chart and you start scrolling back, everything has to, what do they call it? Same thing they call it in simulation. Everything and in a game, everything has to be rendered. That's it. That's the word. It has to render the drawings. So it has to know where everything is.
All right. I'm gonna cut it down to just 2 charts, 100 days of data. Gotta have my data, man.
Well, not if you don't access it. Why?
Use it every day.
You look back 96. You look back to day 90 every day.
Yeah. My bot does, yeah. And it tells me the data was
to show you the results.
right.
Well, you can look at the results at the end of the day. You don't need to monitor it in real time. Anyways, you choose. I mean, try. That's all I can tell you. Try. You got nothing to lose. See how it is. If it works better, if it doesn't make a difference to you, to your computer, then go back the old way.
Well,
690.
thinking about it, I took 3 of the charts and put it down to 3 days. Now it's only the 2. See if it acts a little bit better. I have to go into my strategy code. I got to figure out what's going on with these rejected orders. I don't know. Although today the rejected order saved me a lot of money, but got to figure it out. Got to get it right.
Get. You know, like even my OBS, oh my God. You know how many scenes I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I probably got about 40, 50 scenes in this scene collection, and each one is like loaded with sources. Even that may be, I have no idea how OBS works, but maybe OBS is...
Does it tell you your CPU usage?
Yeah, it does. 23%.
Wow. Mine's at 5%.
Wow. For order flow, footprint, big trade, I see recommended the most is 5 days of data. Yep, that would make sense.
Come on, man. To be fair, I don't have anything on those charts. Where are they at? What do I got? I think all I put was the moving average.
I need you to decode this message that...
Okay, I got the bar timer. Gotta have the bar timer.
I need you guys to decode this message that Fish wrote.
Drawing tools, but that don't matter nothing. I do have the ATR. All right, let's kill the ATR.
Don't worry, Fish. I'll keep repeating it until someone listens. ATR. There's no calculations in ATR. I mean, yeah, there is every 14 period. Every period, it's got to do a rolling 14 period adjustment. So,
all right,
yeah, there.
So I'll kill the ATR. I don't use it. So then all I got is I got the drawing, I got the bar timer, gotta have that, got the drawing tool, gotta have that, and then I put a moving average. I could probably even kill the moving average. Don't use it either. Don't use anything. It's all automated. The drawing tool just helps me get to the what would you call it? I don't know what this tool's called. Measurement tool? Yeah. Lets me get to the measurement tool quickly.
Yeah, I'm going to repost it. Anybody can decode this message from Fish? I'm already losing the digital foot race to the pari-mutuels window at the New York Stock Exchange. It kind of sounds to me like he's making a...
I don't even see that. Where do you see it?
I just posted it on my chat. I'm reposting his message. It sounds like he's making a combination.
Where did he put the
Mala-
message?
Well, I wrote it. I'm copying it from before.
It was in the
He's doing
chat
it.
before.
Yeah. He's doing a collage of verbiage from horse racing and trading.
I don't even see it from before.
Yeah, it's way up. I posted it a bunch of times. I didn't understand it. I mean, I get the point. He's on rural internet, so it's slow. He's not competing with the people in the New York Stock Exchange building who deal in 10,000ths of a second delay. Yeah, we are at a disadvantage, Fish.
Yeah, he has to be called Loot.
We are at a disadvantage, Loot. We don't get our data. Okay, guys. Sounds good.
Yeah, slow internet.
James, have a good afternoon. Good rest of the day. Thanks for stopping by.
Cutting out already?
Me or James? James is cutting out.
Oh. James, have a good rest of your day.
James, if you're still there, we are going for pizza next Tuesday. And notice to Omnius. Hold on. Let me take a trade here.
I like pizza.
No.
Just saying.
Notice to Omnius. We're not streaming next Tuesday afternoon. I'm going for the pizza. I have to have a pizza break.
Pizza.
I'm due for one. It's been 3-4 weeks we haven't.
We've been on a pizza strike.
No, it wasn't that. I don't know. It's just been either busy or I don't know. Just hasn't been able to work out.
Getting to the point we can't even get the kids to eat pizza anymore. That's when you know it's really getting bad.
Let's go. It's good enough for me. I'll take it.
Yeah, when the kids won't eat pizza, it's getting tough.
I used to love horse racing. Don't go anymore. Too long between races. That was the problem. And it wasn't thoroughbred racing here. We have the buggy races. I forgot what they're called. The chariot races. Oh, Lord, I got so much work to do every day. Omnius, did you see the new Deal Me In? The Deal Me In version 2, which isn't ready yet, but, you know, it's ready for preview.
Nope, I don't think so.
Yeah. Let me close this one down here. I don't need the server. Harness racing, that's it. No, harness racing. Chuck wagon racing, that must be fun. But harness racing, yeah. Wow, no, I never would have gotten that. That's a word that... Hold on, I might get another trade. Let me open up the Renkos. Come on. There we go. Perfect entry. No. I didn't mean to do that. It was an accidental click. I'm going to pay for it. C'est la vie. Look at that. It just stopped me out.
Was you putting the game on?
Yeah. Find it. Beat the Dealer version 2. Let's see if I can change the properties and capture it. Well, it says it. I can. There we go. Okay. So now you get to...
I don't see the game.
well, you gotta give it time. I see it on the stream. Looks the same. I'll change the colors so people don't confuse it. Huh? Pick a...
Oh, Beat the Dealer.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought... Never mind. I thought you was talking about the other game.
Yeah, no, this Beat the Dealer. Pick a tile. You know, verbally. Not ready yet for it.
Beta.
That's your pick. Dealer picks. 92. Dealer wins. So now it's automated with a board. Try again. Last one, then I'll close it.
ICT.
Remember, you're on a no, you're on a go. You're on a delay. Next one.
Trend.
65. 16. There you go. See, it says manual player wins because, yeah. So that's gonna be the Beat the Dealer now, running in. I'll change the colors. I just realized it. It looks too much like Find a Tile. I'll change that to Christmassy white and red.
What if you had it as like a thin strip, 2 layers wide on the side over there where you got the prop firms?
Well, you need a lot of tiles for them to choose from, eh? And you'd have to make the tiles very small. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Make the tiles very small, let's say, and maybe just put numbers, you know, or like, no, not numbers. You'd have to put like A1, A2 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Easy to follow so people can type in A2 and it'll choose a tile for them. Yeah, I'll figure something out. I want this one to run through StreamerBot with the chat so it can monitor and keep track of the points and everything. Hopefully it won't be too hard. You know what the problem is with DeepSeek? I canceled my subscription to ChatGPT maybe a little prematurely. You run into that? You're working on coding, and it says chat.
Finishing prematurely? No, I don't have that problem.
When you get to a long message thread and it says chat message length exceeded, switching to a new chat. When you're coding, you don't get that with DeepSeek.
I mean, yeah, if you've been using it a bunch.
So how?
Because you're using a free version, it's not unlimited.
But there is no paid version. I asked if there was a paid version.
I guess start a new chat.
Yeah, but it doesn't remember the old chat. It's like you're starting over. So what I do when I get into that, I won't call it gray area, but when I get into that situation, I send a message to DeepSeek and I say, can you please provide me with a very comprehensive and detailed summary of all the work we've done, because I have to change to a new chat. And I want you to be able to know exactly where we are, what we've done, what we've tried, what didn't work. It has to know all that. So it creates me a summary, which is pretty long, but...
You're too in-depth to this AI stuff. Just tell it what you want to do.
Oh, because I'm going to waste my time. It's going to do again what I tried before. It's just going to redo it. It's not going to know. It's going to rerun through the cycle. I just spent an hour with it working on things that didn't work. I'm going to go to a new chat and try again. I'm going to just start from square one. No, it has to know what was done, what wasn't done. You have to know the workflow, where we are in the workflow. You know, the code is long, on these. It's not like my other stuff. My other stuff used to be, the files were small. There's a lot of lines in here. I don't know how many. I never counted, but it's a lot of lines of code. What are we doing here? We're just going up and up and up and up and up, eh? Little bit of pullbacks. You guys do remember I said on the daily, eh? Every single, let me open up the daily. Every single pullback we've had on the daily since April, I think, has been about 1,200 points or less. Going all the way back to April. This was the biggest one right here, right from the bottom in April at 16,000. This was the biggest one. It was more than 1,200, but all the others were about 11 or 1,200. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and now this one. They've all been about 11 or 1,200 points. This is 25,400, 24,200. So this one looks like one of the biggest ones was 1,200 points. And right now we went down 26,004 all the way down to 25,003. So that's 1,100 points. I'm thinking that's it. If we're in the same pattern, that's it. We're going back up. We're going back up to, not only are we going back up to 26,400, probably we'll break it by 1,000 points or 800 points, 25,000, 25,003. I'm thinking the target now is 26,008, somewhere around there, 1,100 points away. But anyways, I like DeepSeek. It's much more competent than ChatGPT.
I think they all have their purposes. DeepSeek does great with coding like that.
It does. I was losing my time with ChatGPT. I was getting frustrated, and it was really, I don't know, doing amateur work. Let's just put it at that. And when I went to DeepSeek, I said, oh my God. Well, you remember that day. Remember I told you I spent from Saturday in the morning till 3 in the morning and then Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
And then at some point, I said, you know what? Let me run a parallel conversation while I'm waiting for ChatGPT to figure out what it wants to do. Let me run a parallel conversation with DeepSeek. And I think within an hour and a half, it solved all my problems. Yeah, I was loyal to ChatGPT. I still was loyal. But then I said, you know what? Let me just try again with DeepSeek. And again, it did it so well. I said, okay, bye-bye. Sold. I'm not going to be stupid. Where's my daughter? Excuse me. I know clearing my throat is very... very nice. Bum 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 bum. Really? I got nothing from my daughter? My daughter is ignoring me today. Your kids text you during the day?
My kids?
Yeah, they say, hey Dad, what's up? They keep in touch.
They ain't got no phone.
They don't? Wow, how do you get away with that without them having a fit?
What fit? I barely give them a tablet.
Yeah, I don't know, my kids had a hissy fit.
You know I'm bigger than them, right?
I know, but you want your kids to be happy. See, the thing is, when I went to school, I was the have-not. All the kids were the haves, and I was the have-not, and I felt bad. So...
They're not allowed to use phones at school.
Oh, please. Wow, you have great schools.
Yeah, they're allowed to use phones at school.
Over here, yep. I hated it. Not only that, they're allowed to use phones, and they're allowed to have their phones in elementary school here.
I mean, I'm sure they're allowed to have one, but I don't know why
they
would
got to
need
turn
one.
it off. They're supposed to turn it off and put it in their desk.
Yeah.
They're not allowed to be on it during class, but they're allowed to bring it into the class. They're allowed to have it on them. I think that's totally ridiculous. I think schools should ban phones completely. You can't walk into the building with your phone.
Well,
you go home, you get your phone.
You can't
You
ban
don't need a
somebody's
phone.
phone. It's called freedom, my man. You can have your property.
You don't need a phone. Did you need a phone when you were 17 years old? 17, when you were 8 years old? Did you need access to a phone on your personal body? Seriously?
Well, we had this thing called people. Like, you walk out the road now, you don't see people. You don't see kids out there. Like, when I was a kid, there was kids everywhere. Now you would almost
They didn't
believe
have
there's no
phones
kids
either.
in the world.
If you needed a phone, you went and knocked on a neighbor's door. Can I borrow your phone?
Do that
got
now.
hurt.
You knock on a neighbor's door now, they'd probably shoot you. I see stories all the time about somebody knocking on somebody's door and getting shot.
Nah.
There was one story of the old guy, a little kid knocked on his door for something, and he just pulled out his gun and started shooting through the door.
Shit, crazy people. You're not allowed to do that.
He said he thought he was getting robbed.
It doesn't matter what you thought. You have to confirm you're getting robbed, and you can't just shoot because you thought. You know, it's not a license because you have a gun. It's not a license to just shoot at anybody because you're thinking they're going to do something.
Look, I told you.
What made you?
I told you my wife and my daughter.
That?
My wife and my daughter knocked on the door down the road about a dog, and freaking teenager come out and started yelling and cussing and threatening them.
Somebody knocking on your door doesn't lead you to believe you're being robbed. Not every knock leads to a robbery. That shouldn't make you think you're being robbed because someone knocked on your door.
They got everybody's so scared of their own shadow nowadays.
Where are you? How you doing? What's up? Are we leaving at 11:45?
Sorry, Loot. What happened to Loot?
I don't know. I didn't see anything. Watching my chat. I'm on live chat.
Go to what happened to Loot.
Last message was about the harness racing and chuck wagon racing.
Like I missed something.
Oh, we have a trade at 90, a short. I'll take it at 95. It's 5 points better. There we go. The internet rule problem. He's making him feel bad about his internet problem. Look, you're a scalper. Welcome, buddy. Welcome.
Even Loot's like, what happened?
I thought we were a dying breed. Everybody takes one trade and hangs on for the day. Nice. Nice, nice. Are my trades even showing up on the screen? No, they're not. Okay, I know I said I was going to take less trades, hold a little bit longer, but I did have to try and pass that account, and well, I got it over 53,000. Tomorrow, the new process starts.
Tomorrow never comes.
It always does. It's called today. Today was tomorrow, and will be yesterday. Okay. It's 11:15. My daughter's not answering me. That's not a good sign. Give me a sec, guys.
Bellator said he can't scalp like you with minis. Bellator, what you use, the NQ, right? Yes. Like it's just easier to come back from losses with minis, micros. I guess if you have a good process and keep a tight stop loss. Yeah, Lou, you don't really have to have that good of a computer. I mean, mine's not even that good, and I got all the streaming software and all kinds of other stuff.
Okay,
But
she's sleeping. And we have another short trade at 76.
you could see days to load. You could also right click on your chart and reload historical data if that would make it run a little bit better.
76 targeting 89, 69. But I want to get a better price before it goes. If it goes and I miss it, so be it.
They love you.
Not getting in now, because now the only thing I'm going to make is 2-3 points. There it goes. I missed it. Hey, didn't I bring in my... Let's see if it works. I love it. Okay.
Wow, right in the kisser. Does it still say it?
Those guys are... Yeah, it does.
I don't get to hear it.
Those guys are coming back.
Skeletor, you trade Renkos, don't you? Weren't you and Mike working on Renkos?
Skeletor, Bama, and Butter Stunts. I'm not sure if Bama still does it. I don't think so. Pretty sure not. Butter Stunts also, I think, abandoned. Went towards the Joker trades, Mike Stunts type of ICT trading. But I think Skeletor still does, and I think Ruan still does.
Still does what?
Trade with Renkos.
Renkos?
Or at least looks at them.
Bama uses footprint.
Yeah, that's what I said. Bama changed. I mean, changed. He Bama explored it and left it. I would just say let's put it at that.
And pretty sure Mike Stunts does support and resistance.
Yeah, Mike Stunts does support and resistance.
Skeletor don't ever really talk about his trading style. Or maybe you talked with him about it before, I don't know. No, he was using a bot at one time.
I'm not charging anything. Isn't something need charging on my desk?
Yeah, the bot, but I look. Candle and Renko, other indicator, follow trend and momentum.
Skeletor,
Okay.
You want to come on the stream one time, and we'll put up your charts, and you'll trade and we'll watch. Is that something that interests you, or is something you don't want to do? That's fine either way. Don't worry about it.
About what me and Mike do.
If it's something you'd be interested in, I'd love it. I'd love to see. We'll talk about, what I see on your charts and how you see it. Go back and forth. 62 short. I'm going to try and get 66. There's 68, even better. Shorter the two.
Really, the only one we've had come on so far and kind of show kind of what they do is Joker.
Yeah, well, we haven't really gotten organized for that, but I'm going to. I got a list of people, and I'm going to contact them.
I think it's great seeing how other people look at the market and what their eyes see.
Oh, okay. Skeletor said, yeah, sure. We'll get organized.
Where do you see that?
I'm putting him on the spot. See, I know him well enough. I can do that. No, he didn't write that. I'm stopping. Not touching that account anymore. Guys, give me an account to trade. Done. Okay, we're switching. Give me a second. Yeah, we're having a good time. Don't worry about it. Let's get that organized.
He said, yeah, it's nap time. MP, that's nap, right?
Time. Yeah, during nap time, basically. Go fuck yourself. Okay, orders. Cancel all orders.
Cancel all orders.
Flatten everything. Orders. Cancel all orders. Close the platform. Yes. Scenes. Give me a minute. I'll be back. Gotta open
is that a threat?
up. What's the threat? No threats.
I'll be back.
Oh, I'll be back. Yeah. Who am I opening up? Trading. What are one of my choices? Let's go. I like wealth charts. Not going to do anything. Okay, put that here. Open up. And go to my wealth charts. Didn't I create a wealth charts scene?
No, I didn't do that.
That ain't it. I can tell you that much. I know I did. Just two guys. Nope. Maybe that's it. I was sure it was this one. Oh, it is this one. Our cameras are just turned off. You
got on the other side?
Yeah. Where are the cameras?
We're hiding.
They deleted them? Oh, no, they're there. There they are. Oh, they all got deleted. That's strange. I didn't do that. Okay, well, we'll just change the scene. We'll go to Day Traders. It works. It's good enough. Hey, did you see this new one? I don't even know if it works. This is how I think we open up the stream in the morning or in the afternoon.
I don't know what you're looking at.
Give it 8 seconds. Chit-chat a little bit over how our day went in the afternoon, have a little conversation, and then we can put up a chart.
I might have to do that for the afternoon, huh?
Yeah.
Take your charts
You like
away.
it? You like it?
Yeah.
Can you see the hairs in my nose?
Yeah. Even though you're covering them.
No. Look. I'm showing.
Trying to get this trade, and you're distracting me.
Sorry. All you got to do is say shut up. That's all you got to do.
I'm not going to keep pushing, are we? Yeah, let's take it for the 10 points.
That's crazy.
See that? I could go an hour without trade, then take a quick trade and be up nice on the day. Minus what happened earlier. Now, what was you saying? Now I can pay attention.
Nothing. I don't know. That's all. I'm done.
Well, put the other screen back up. I don't want to look at it.
There we go. I don't have fake Omnius on this one. Do I? So many. Oh, wait a minute. There is. What? What happened? Did you fall?
Beat up Omni Man.
I do have a fake Omnius. Hold on. Where you're not showing up? Oh, there you go. You're all the way on the bottom over the Bullinox thing, but it's that fake Omnius. Yeah, no, Omni-Man isn't here.
Busy, man. Look at all those monitors I got to look at.
Yeah,
my goodness.
But, okay, that one. Yeah, I got to clean this up. The funny thing is, anyways, it's a work in progress. I like it though.
I feel like
I like it.
Maybe if there was a
dancing girl right in the middle,
equally gap in the middle with a chart on it. You ever tried Trade Saver?
Big and rectangle. Did you ever try Trade Saver? Yeah. I did. I like, what's his name? The guy there.
Never heard of it.
I think his name is Trade Saver. Yeah, I used to use his order entry tools and, but you know what? It's really not much. It's you know, the way I see it, it's pretty much just a Renko reversal requiring a wick. But you know what? 90%, 95% of them wick below the previous Renko when they make a reversal. So there's nothing special in there. It's just trading Renko reversals. So I don't need it to be automated. But his other tools, his order entry system, was really, really good because it calculates, especially if you're trading on the minute charts, you can set it up, you know, to know that your stop is, let's say, 3 bars previous or 4 bars previous, and it'll calculate your size. I mean, approximately. There's errors, you know, of course, because you can't do it to the penny. It's not like forex where you can trade a 0.01 and get it so close. But no, I like Trade Saver. Yeah, we used to talk also about coding. He helped me a lot with coding for Ninja Trader. He's a nice guy.
Was this other guy, but I don't remember his name. He trades kind of a similar system that we do, but he uses the 1 minute Ikenashi Ninja Trader. He's got like some system set up for it.
You know what? I like Ikenashi. I got it right here on my chart now on the 1 minute, not on the 5 minutes, but I have it on the 1 minute. But I got to tell you, hold on, 39. Let me see if I can get in. Oh shit, 39. So much for let me see if I could get in, eh? That was a quick rocket higher. The stop is just, I saw that it's possible to get other indicators that use plots. Not sure what that means. I'm not sure if you're talking about Trade Saver. And you know what? Same offer goes out to you, Loot. If you want to come on the stream. Also, if you want to join, we do have a little bit of we're starting up a little bit of a discipline mastermind group where we're going to all be responsible to each other and, you know, go over on a daily basis how we did, whether we followed our rules. Yesterday I took a hammer to my rules and just completely smashed them up and ignored them. Pretty embarrassing, actually. Helps automate the strategy. I didn't know that. And you know what? Here's another observation I made. I said to myself, oh my God, I'm going to be embarrassed because I have to report it tomorrow on stream. So it actually even had a little bit of an effect. And I said, wow, look at that. The fact that I got to go and show my dirty underwear tomorrow was bothering me a little bit. I forgot to mention that to you, Omnius.
Skeletor, you're saying you can use Trade Saver and put in other like strategies into it? I don't know if maybe, I don't know, I might have it.
What, Trade Saver?
Is it like a strategy or is it a indicator?
He's got a lot of things.
I got a bunch of things. I don't know what it would be under.
3 indicators and a lot of things. Let's be reasonable. It's not thousands, but he has an order entry system. He's got just an order quantity, I think, calculator.
Trade Saver.
Those are free.
Apparently,
The
I have
Predator
a
X you have to pay for.
multi-series high-low. Is that what that is? The hell is this?
With the Predator X, you have to pay for.
I don't know what this one does. YouTube, Discord, Trade Saver. That's probably why I don't like it. Okay, so it's just plotting the previous high, previous low. Yeah. I know there were some other ones I had. TH? What does that stand for? Got the Tick Hunter. That's right. I guess I tried the Tick Hunter. Thought they had some cool stuff, but seemed like 90% of it was kind of useless and slowing down the chart.
The thing that I used was very valuable if you were trading on time frame, on minute charts or 2-minute charts or 5, whatever, because it allowed you to risk the same dollar amount per trade without having to calculate it yourself. Sometimes, you know, a setup on a minute chart, your stop is very close if you're using the previous swing low, and sometimes it's, you know, a little bit farther away. Sometimes it's 11 points. Sometimes in higher volatility, it's 28 points.
Yeah, Skeletor, I'll check it out.
It adjusted your size. I posted a video in Discord. I got a long at 46. Do I want to take it?
Nope.
Just tried to take a short before. I don't know. If I can get, if it goes down to 39 before target is hit, if I can get 7 points better, I'll take it. Other than that, I think I'm finished trading for today. Or at least 4 points better. How about 42? We can get 42. I can see 42 on the bid. There's 44. 44. 43. 44, 43. 42 flashes. I'll take 43. I got in at 43.50. Now it's showing. Could have gotten a better entry, but whatever. Keep my finger on the join the ask. I don't know. I'm not crazy about this trade. I don't think I'm in the mood to trade anymore. I think I'm getting out, guys. I'm not in the mood to trade anymore. Keep the chart up, but I don't want to take any more risk for today. I have to be honest with you, my trading really wasn't that good today. Could have been a lot better.
Does that mean it could have been worse?
It could always be worse.
I was looking for that guy's system. I seen his video yesterday. Of course, when you're looking for something, you can't never find it, right?
Mm. Okay, well, it's good I didn't take the trade, eh? Look, it went down. Right instincts.
There it is. My future success. He's got a
FSM.
He's got a system for, I guess, the 1 minute Hikanashi.
Mm.
don't know if it's free or you got to pay for it. You got to be part of the Discord or what. But. I like the 1 minute hike and Ashy, but I wouldn't go out and pay for a system for it. Looks a lot like my 1 minute hike and Ashy. You don't mind?
I don't know. My computer's not working. It's like I keep trying. There we go, Mister Dealer 67.
We got 11:37. What time was you wanting to head out today, and what time was you wanting to start up after lunch?
I don't know. What's good for you? I mean, I'm ready to cut out now. I don't want to take any more trades. I do have things I got to go take care of again. So we can kind of call it quits right now.
Not a lot going on right now.
Markets come back at
markets dying down.
But we meet up here at 1:20 inside Discord, and we'll go live at the same time.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, I'll post my thumbnail. I'll create the stream before I leave, and I'll see you at 1:20-ish. Starting to hit the lost trade timer whenever price goes deeper into drawdown than I like. The lost trade timer, right? Just to ensure cool down time. Yeah. Absolutely, Loot. That's what I'm talking about also. One trade. For me, you got to take a break. I don't mind continuing to trade, but I got to rotate accounts. Otherwise, I find I get fired up and I go on tilt and I start to want a revenge trade. But I don't mind moving over to another account. I still stay calm. So, yeah, that's my timeout.
Wonder if they had a add-on indicator for that where you could like put on a 5-minute, 10-minute timer, lock you out of trade.
That would be a fantastic thing. If you have a losing trade, it shuts you down for 5 minutes. That would be a phenomenal feature to throw into a piece of software.
I don't know if I do a losing trade. I would do just click it.
Yeah, I'm going to check it also, this Skeletor. I'm going to take a look at it.
Yeah, Skeletor, definitely going to check it. And hey, we're going to be doing a afternoon stream about 1:30, 1:20. You guys come back, hang out. We'll talk more about the video. I'll probably go watch it through lunch or something, put it on TV. And so you guys want to talk about?
You going to be here for the FOMC?
Is that today? I didn't know FOMC is today.
No.
What are you talking about?
I got a phone call! Whoa, I gotta close my mic! Yeah, you guys know why I gotta do that, eh? Because it screams out the phone number, so I had to drown it out.
Yeah, you might want to fix that.
I don't know how to do that. I wasn't losing my mind, guys. I was just drowning out the phone number that my phone was calling out. Megan, give me just a half a second. Okay, guys, I got a phone call. I gotta go. I'm closing up. We'll see you here 1:15, 1:20 this afternoon. Thanks for hanging out. Hit the like on your way out, and we'll see you in a couple hours.
Appreciate you guys. See you in a couple hours.
Take care.
Bye.
The trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some win, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway.